See you tomorrow. Bye. Today was so much fun. I loved painting that big picture.
Welcome home. Wonderful. Thank you for keeping everything tidy. First things first.
Oh! Let's wash our hands to make them nice and clean. Scrub the fingers, scrub the palms, the best you've ever seen. Look, my hands are clean.
Now let's get comfy. Wow, both of you did a wonderful job.
So crunchy. Yummy. Thank you so much.
Homework finished. Now it's playtime.
Yay! So messy. Clean up, we all do our part. Clean up, grab a toy and let's start. Look, Daddy's finally home.
How was school today?
Look at my drawing, Daddy.
Amazing! That is so beautiful.
The little star smiled at the moon. It was time to sleep. Good night, my sweethearts. Good habits make every day wonderful.
Nia, play outside. Neil, clean up toys. Nia, spend time with family. Neil, pack your school bag. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye.